welcome back. This is BBC World and you're watching MoneyWise. In most urban Indian homes today, the traditional gas burner is getting a facelift. Cooking ranges that promise to help you roast, bake and grill all at the same time are causing quite a stir. But choosing between the 35-odd models could be a daunting task. We compare some leading national brands.
Sumita Anand loves to pore over new recipes and churn out lip-smacking delicacies. But frustrated by the limitations of her outdated gas burner, she is on the lookout for a more friendly gadget.
I'm looking for a cooking range which will serve facilities like have a rotisserie, a hot plate and an oven.
Most cooking ranges today incorporate an oven, a grilling unit and are fitted with 4 burners on the top. According to industry sources, 5 brands with a strong national presence are BPL offering 3 models, Superflame has 4 models, Sunflame 10 and Inalsa has the largest range at 11 models. Godrej only markets 4 models that are manufactured by other companies. With so many options, how does one decide? We asked these companies to nominate their best model fitted with a rotisserie along with the option of a hot plate. The models they shortlisted were the CR6060WE from BPL priced at 23,990 rupees, CR306 from Inhalsa priced at 19,200 rupees, Exotica Super DX from Sunflame at 17,700 rupees, and the Electra Rota from Superflame priced at 15,800 rupees. We asked Dr. Ranjan Bose, electrical engineer and professor at the Indian Institute of Technology, to evaluate these models.
It's important to analyze any electrical gadget or an appliance with a part which has electrical component to check its power ratings, because power ratings will translate directly to your electricity bill.
Dr. Bose evaluated the models on the basis of their consumption of electricity and total wattage used to check for the product with the highest efficiency.
It was found that the Superflame and PPL had a hot plate rating of 1.5 kilowatt, whereas the other two had a 1 kilowatt power rating. This means that the BPL and the Superflame can cook faster than the other two and would give you some savings in time.
There are other features to consider as well. Each model has different size burners, hot plate options and heating combinations for the grill and oven chambers. We asked Professor B.K. Chakravarti of the Industrial Design and Development Center at the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, to decide on which overall design is best. Professor Chakravarti first evaluated the gas stove, oven and grilling chambers to check for their most important aspect, safety.
The safety aspect, I was mainly concerned about the problem of the inlet gas tube, because that's where most of the safety hazards of gas leakage occur. And I found that the Superflame was ridiculously bad because the tube was jetting out, it was projecting out of the body, and then anytime the tube could get snapped on and gas leak can result in a gas disaster. Whereas the other 3 models fared quite well.
With most of the models offering similarly advanced features, we then check them for ease of operation, structural design and additional features given.
Professor Chakravarti also tested the stability factor of each gas stove while cooking. In a simple test, he placed different shaped utensils on each burner.
When I considered the aspect of user convenience and ease of use, the controls and organization of the BPL gas range came out to be the best. I would have loved to rate the BPL the best, but very, very unfortunately, the utensils don't hold on the BPL range. As a result, when I look at the aspects, though the Sunflame doesn't count very high on all the issues, but still, looking at all the aspects, I feel the Sunflame is the best buy at the right price. In this, I would like to surely mention that the Inalsa controls were very, very bad. They were hurting the hand, and otherwise, it was also a very strong contender.
Now it's Sumita's turn. Which one will she buy?
I like the Sunflame because it has a separate grill and a rotisserie which has 2 options. It has a skewer as well as it has for the whole chicken and all. So that's very practical, and it has a separate oven.
At a price of 17,700 rupees, the Exotica Super DX from Sunflame makes experiments with cooking an easy option.
Lean, mean cooking machines there, making the kitchen a friendlier place.